Hello friends, I am Nagaraj. Do you believe that you can create a 3D statue of a photo like this using ChatGPT prompt? In today's video, I'll show you how to create a realistic bust statue image using a prompt. I use 3 tools for this process. First, ChatGPT. With this, I created the prompt needed to generate the 3D bust image. Then, Pinterest. I chose the photo I wanted from Pinterest. If you need an aesthetic reference, you can find it here. Finally, Remini app. It helps enhance photos and give clarity to bust-style images. So now let's look at each step by step. Open ChatGPT, then select the photo you like. Paste the prompt I have given, check the description box for the prompt, and click on the arrow button. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Finally, the image will be created. See, the image is in 8K resolution. Just click on the Save button and the image will be saved.